and welcome back to another video by Storm Smasher, Hungry Shark and Craft Attack. It's 2 minutes 20 seconds and today we're doing this
second time lucky.
The sky view. And I'm just going to move over. We got incoming. Incoming from the top. Woo! Did it go in? Oh, we got an amazing view from up here. It's like a bird's eye view.
Oh, it looks cool in that.
Yeah, it looks cool in real life. Ah, there's a box. Oh no, not a box.
You get nice frames in a minute.
Grandad, can you collect another stick?
It's Craft Attack, remember?
Okay, I can call him Grandad because they won't know his identify.
Identify. Oh, identify. Oh.
Can you touch smoke?
No, you cannot touch smoke. It's not a solid. It's not a liquid. I'm not smoke. Okay, dude, I'm not smoke. I'm not a tissue either.
Ah, go back.
Ooh, ow! Ah! Got incoming.
Who saw that?
Me.
Uh-oh.
It's not on fire. Don't worry. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, see you next time.